set up the knife holder, first you would unlock the lock knob, and then it will slide back and forth. You want to make sure that you're clear of an anvil before you do any setup so you don't come down and crash into the anvil. You would turn that to the yellow setup mode, which brings it down and over half the distance of the stroke. You would then slide over until it contacts your anvil. You would then lock down your lock knob so that the knife holder is stable. You would then go to red to retract, and then green to cut. Within that process, you'd want to make sure that the depth setting and your overlap is correct, and that is done by turning the depth control knob, and there is a arrow indicating positive and negative depth, and each notch on the knife holder is 0.1 millimeters. So if you need to go shallower, you would just bump it back a few notches, indicating how deep you want to go, and then you'd look at your depth and configure to determine if that's a 30-second overlap as you desire.